Want to reverse your videos but not sure how to? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to reverse a video in Videoleap. Let's get started. First, open the app. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on New Project. Select the video that you want to reverse. Tap on Add to Project. There are many tools that you can use to edit at the bottom. Tap on the video in the middle. You will get more editing tools. Scroll to the right. Tap on Reverse. And that is how to reverse a video in Videoleap. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.